How you can generate consistent leads online. Number one, documenting a live video. Engage, interact with your audience on a live video. This way, you will truly resonate and show your audience, most importantly, that you truly care about the business, about them. People buy from you when you truly care about them. That is how you generate leads. And number two, organic content. Documenting those short 10-second clips, medium 2-minute videos, and long form content, 5-minute clips or 10-minute videos. Those are imperative for the longevity of business growth to continually generate high quality leads so that you can convert into sales. Remember, leads equals income, leads equals business growth. And finally, number three, running Facebook ads. Yes, minimum amount you can spend about 100 Rand, $5 running a Facebook ad, being specific on your target market, the age, the gender, where are they from, a 10-mile radius as to your city, your suburb, and this way you can start generating leads. You do not need to be a professional or expert to run Facebook ads, but the rewards are endless, generating that leads and people wanting to know more on your products, services, and opportunity. So apply these strategies to generate an endless flow of leads.